boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have KHEA here with a song called Feeling. And feeling is probably the only word I understand from this song. Anyway, this is a great song, fun to play and very easy as well. So let's start this one up. We have the capo here set on the first fret. And with that, we have 3 chords that goes over and over through the entire song. Great. All right, so let's take a look at the chords. We have first the E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. The second chord is the D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. And then finally we have the A minor 7. So that is open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. All right, so that's the chord progression, E minor to D to the A minor 7. All right, so we'll look at the strumming pattern next now. So grab the E minor since that is the first chord. So one strumming around will be down, up, clap, down. It's a very common beat or strumming pattern for this kind of songs, these rhythms. So that's one strumming around. So down, up, clap, down. Play one down, then a short pause, and then comes up, clap, down. A couple rounds of it to get the feeling for the rhythm. It sounds like this. Right, so we will play E minor, 2 string rounds, D, 2 string rounds, and A minor 7, 4 string rounds. And that's what's going on through the entire song. So let's listen to a couple rounds of this chord progression. Yeah guys, so that pretty much covers KHEA's Feeling. Give it a try, very easy to play and play tuned.